Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my page, Dr. Rekha Sehgal, Homeopathy for Mankind. A big thank you to everyone for supporting and liking my videos. Today, I'll be discussing one remedy that is thyroidinum. As you all know, it is a sarcode which is prepared from the dried thyroid gland of the sheep. Now, as you all know, that thyroid releases hormones which controls almost all the metabolic functions of the body, and disturbance in these levels could give rise to a major problems in every sector of the body. Now, I'll discuss some pointers when you will prescribe this medicine in your clinical practice. I have verified in many cases and I found it very useful. So, the first pointer, it is prescribed in those cases where you have a history of long standing either hypothyroid or hyperthyroid. And in those cases, in spite of giving a right simulacrum or a right constitutional medicine, your case are not responding well. Or the clinically, the parameters of T3, T4, TSH are not coming down. So when you restudy these type of cases, you will find that there is a backdrop, there is a deep seated, the chronic pathology is involved. It could be at the level of dysfunctionings of the hormones or malfunctionings of the hormone. So when you prescribe thyroidinum 200, usually I prescribe in 200 potency. When you prescribe this medicine, the case detangles and the cases will respond very beautifully to the constitutional treatment. The thyroidinum exhibits its influence to all the metabolic process, the vital functions, the nutritional part, and controls all the metabolisms. So thyroidinum is very helpful in these type of stubborn cases where you are blocked, and in spite of giving the right simulacrum, prescribing or increasing or decreasing the potency of the constitutional medicines, the cases are not responding. Second, it is prescribed in those cases where you find that the development of the child at the level of the mind or at the level of the body is not in a pace. It is delayed somewhere. It has been arrested and the block is there. And when you prescribe this sarcode in between your constitutional prescriptions, usually 2 or 3 months after constitutional medicines or in between, they reshuffle the case. The third, I have prescribed in many cases of the skin where there is a allergic manifestation is there. The patient comes to your clinic and describes, when you see it is a case of thyroid and they have got a itching which is not having any eruptions, and they have a lot of dryness issue and the itching is persistent. Their thyroidinum is very helpful. In cases of, I have prescribed in cases of PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian diseases, and because these all diseases are related to hormonal imbalances. In some cases of nocturnal enuresis in the children, when the child is weak and the mother comes to your clinic and complains of that this problem, and it is not you are not getting the results with your constitutional treatment. It is also prescribed in diabetes where there is a polyuria, excessive urination at the night. So there you can prescribe this sarcode and it has worked very beautifully. So these are some pointers in which you can think while prescribing in your cases the role of thyroidinum in hormonal imbalances. And I hope this short and sweet video could help to you in giving a new direction to your clinical cases where you are blocked or obstructed. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy homeopathy. Thank you.